It's an inexplicable microwave fire. I wonder how that happened. This is the dead zone.
Apparently there's magnetic fields in this area. They all bind and things just catch fire right there.
It's sitting in an area where a lot of things have burnt to the ground.
That's the only explanation I can come up with.
Yeah, it's gonna stink.
Needs fan.
Yeah, needs more airflow.
I need more air again.
Mozzie's getting a bit much. The control panel's going now. It's getting really hot.
Oh, that's not brilliant. Look at the capacitors that will explode, man.
Oh yeah, the control panel's going to go off.
Oh, they're confusing that stuff. This is your birthday present.
What better way to celebrate a birthday? Yeah, that's getting kind of hot.
Now we're cooking with oil.
Yeah, I don't want to plug up the aircon coils with soot. Now it's raining. The rain will put the flames out. That's if the obbos don't call the fire brigade. Yeah, what fire? Inexplicable microwave fire. Don't microwave your food too long, kids. This is what happens.
Make sure your food isn't petrol.
Yes, microwaving hydrocarbon food is bad. Considering it was a 30 degree day, that's nice and hot.
Yeah, that's why we wait for rain.
Yeah. Probably the last time of the season you get to cook something like this.
Never get away with this in weather,
No. That's just beautiful though. Not quite as good as burning a pile of tyres, but still pretty good. Well, how else do you start a bonfire? Old tyres, diesel fuel and newspapers. You stuff the old tyres with newspaper, soak them with diesel fuel, chuck them on and light her up. Yeah, steel belting's always good. I like the rain hitting the molten plastic, crackling. Yes, chuck some steaks on the microwave grill there. Looks nice and hot. Never mind the burnt polycarbonate.
That's fine. Yeah, I have mine medium rare, thanks. Gonna make mushroom sauce.
Oh, you gotta have mushrooms and a bit of shrimp on the barbie.
Oh yeah, you gotta throw another shrimp on the barbie, mate.
That's beautiful. It's burning my grass. Yeah, I know, nothing's going to grow in this area ever again. Nothing. It's like out the front of the shed, there's that much oil soaked into the sand, it's never going to grow again.
I'll give it 30 years and be able to build here now.
Yeah, at least 30 years. Yeah, that's dying down.